Hey, good morning, guys. I'm Karan Manik, and you are watching the Coffee Addict Trader. I can spot a long setup in USDCAD. I can see some good rejections coming from the zone. If we just refine this zone in 1 hour, then this is the last drop close to close. This is the last drop before we started to move upside impulsively. So and we're getting some good rejections from this level. So let's see if we can validate this setup using higher time frame. So starting from the monthly time frame, overall in monthly time frame, where is the last breakout structure? I can spot this one. um, th- we we can consider this one as a breakout structure, but this is not a strong one. We just failed to close below this level, so it's more like a swap. We can consider this one as a breakout structure and this one. So overall, we are currently into a bullish in range. We can target for the previous monthly high. Um, this is the last bullish impulsive month. The monthly candle managed to close above the high of this month. So overall, we can target for this high. One negative thing I can spot is that we're currently dropping from this zone, but overall it's giving me a vibe of bullishness because at the same time we're bouncing above 50 EMA. Let's see what's going on in weekly time frame. In weekly time frame, this is the last breakout structure I can spot. There's a close one, strong one, and we are currently into a bullish in range. If we drop our Fibonacci on this impulsive move, then we're currently standing at 38.2. The previous weekly low is cleared. The previous weekly low in the this weekly candle managed to close below the low of this week. So the weekly bias was bearish, and we managed to clear the previous weekly low. So it's possible that we're gonna get some decent moves right now. At the same time, a continuation towards downside is also possible. So let's see what's going on in daily time frame. In daily time frame, we're currently into a bullish in range. If we drop our Fibonacci on this move to this move, we're currently into a bullish in range, and maybe we are currently standing at the 50% of this move. Yeah, we are bouncing from it. I can spot a multi-confluence level at around this level where price rejected multiple times in the past, and currently we are testing this from upside and trying to bounce back higher. Uh, the 50 MA is perfectly lining up with this zone, and I can spot a demand zone at around this level, which is the 4 hour demand we just spotted. So overall things are lining up, but I can rate this as a A grade setup, and I'm gonna get involved into this trade at the current market price, and I'm gonna place my stop right below this level, and I'll be targeting for a 1 is to 3 Dix ratio over here. The only problem with this whole setup is that currently, if we just notice what's going on in weekly time frame, uh, if we consider this one as a breakout structure, then we are currently dropping from this zone. The We're currently dropping from around the OT level of this impulsive move downside. So we can see it's possible that we're going to continue towards downside. At the same time, Dixie is also looking a little bearish, but at the same time, Dixie is also looking bearish. So if the Dixie managed to drop more uh, lower, then in that case, it's possible that we're gonna get stopped out in USD CAD. Let's see how it unfolds. The best setup will form if the daily candle managed to close as a green one. But for now, the 4 hour is giving us some good rejections. We are already above daily time frame 50 EMS, so things are pretty much lining up. So I'm just gonna get involved into this trade. So yeah, that's it from my side, and see you soon on the next session, guys. Have a great day.